Hello everybody, Bryce here, back on the video, and these are the images of the 2018 Ninjago Sons of Garmadon battle pods. Now the J1 includes 26 pieces, and the Quill one includes 28 pieces. These are set to release on January 1st, so let's get to them. These are probably going to retail for like $5, which is a pretty bad price, because 26 pieces. Or $6 actually, but I hope they're free. Now, as you can tell, they're not poly bags. They're the plastic with cardboard, so it's like an action figure, I guess. The pod looks like one. But it's pretty cool, I guess. I don't get the purpose of battle pods. I don't buy battle pods, but they include pretty cool minifigures like that Ninjago with black suit, which looks awesome, and the Kendall helmet with the sky blue lining and the daggers. Then we have the Nunchucks, which you could easily get in any other set. Now we also have the Battle Pod, which looks pretty nice. Now let's go on to Cole, which for me is a better one. Includes the new hairpiece for him, which is pretty old, but came out in August. That's a new hairpiece. And the Battle Pod is orange, my favorite color. It includes his hammer, 2 sides, and the same Kendall helmet, but with a brown lining. And as you can see, they both include those training dummies. I just don't get it. And that's the Battle Pod, which looks pretty cool. And that's the packaging. That's all I look like. That's all I gotta say for today. Let me know which one like more. I honestly like the cool one more, but I won't be buying these at all. I really don't like Battle Pods. Like I said before, I don't get their purpose. They're like a collector's item. I don't know. That's all I gotta say for today. Hope you have a nice day. Like, subscribe.